We are Learning Disability Improvement Cymru. We work to improve the lives of people with a learning disability in Wales. We believe everyone deserves safe, effective and efficient care that meets their individual needs. We work with people throughout Wales to deliver projects that improve the health and well-being of people with a learning disability. We've worked across agencies to improve people's experiences and provided resources for people in our communities to help them get the right care. There's still so much more we can do. Together, we can improve people's health and well-being for a safe and fair Wales for people with a learning disability. Become part of our community. Email us at improvementcymru@wales.nhs.uk.